A video about how to master your trading psychology and exactly how I make $30,000 to $40,000 a month trading strictly based off prop firms. Now, you can learn any strategy you want. You can learn any model, any trading approach. You can be trading order flow, supply and demand, support and resistance, ICC concepts. Whatever you trade is insignificant to your psychology. Your psychology is a whole different ballgame. There's two sides of trading. There's your actual strategy, meaning your technical analysis, whatever approach you have to actually entering and exiting a trade. And then you have your psychology. Obviously, one is going to significantly outweigh the other. Think of it the same way as losing weight. When you are losing weight, it is 80% diet, 20% like actually training, working out, getting your steps in. You can never outrun a bad diet. You can never outcompete a bad diet. Same thing applies to trading. You are never going to outperform poor psychology. I don't care. You can have a 100% fucking win rate and still be unprofitable. Right? Realistically, 99. You have a 99% win rate. That one loss you fucking take will make you go on tilt, will make you go off your edge. You lose sight of everything you once knew, everything you once learned. You lose sight of every bit of confidence you once had trading, all because you took one loss out of 100 trades. And what happens? You go on spiral, you go on tilt, you blow all your fucking accounts off one mistake, right? I see a lot of my students, I see a lot of my friends make the same fucking mistake, a lot of my peers in the past. If you struggle with over trading, revenge trading, over leveraging, you struggle with going on tilt, falling off your edge, it is simply because you actually lack confidence in your system. If you have confidence that your system is profitable over a given period of time, being a week, being a month, being a year, there's no reason for you to ever go off your edge. If you understand that the loss you are taking is needed to be added to a statistic. Let's say you have an 80% win rate. You take 10 trades. Those two losses you took and did not go on edge with still ended up being part of a profitable system. At that point in time, you took a loss. Yes. What does that mean over the grand scheme of 10 trades? You are still up a shit ton of money. Just because you took a loss does not mean you were wrong. People tend to also confuse being wrong with taking a loss. Just because you took a loss in the market does not mean you were wrong about using your approach or using your strategy. No strategy is perfect. Stop confusing being wrong with taking a loss. You could be right about the move and still take a loss. Maybe you found the wrong entry. Maybe your system just was not meant to win that day, and that is okay. I take several losses. I have had undefeated trading months, like day-wise. Like I have not had a losing day in like 70 or 80 days, yet I still take losses on a day-to-day fucking basis, dude. I will take 2 trades in a day. I lose the first trade. Does that make me go on tilt and blow my accounts over leverage? No. I will de-risk and enter a second trade if my system presents itself. Then I will make my money back for the day. But while I'm in that trade, I'm not thinking I have to win to get my money back. If I lose this, I'm gonna have a losing day. I can give less of a shit if I have a losing day. I can give less of a shit if I have a losing week, because I know over the course, by the end of the month, I will come out green because I have trust in my system that has made me money for the last 10, 12 months. There's no reason that you shouldn't either. If you are learning how to trade, you are learning how to follow a system, you going on tilt, you falling off your edge and breaking all your rules that you once known and followed, that is what is going to cause you to be unprofitable. That is the reason you are actually unprofitable. Just because you fucking have 10 winning days, just because you think you know everything, does not mean you are not susceptible to a loss. Susceptible, whatever the fuck the word is. That does not mean that you are not eligible to take a loss. Everybody, every profitable trader, you can get the best trader on Wall Street to take a trade. He is going to take losses. He just knows how to manage them better than you. Being a good trader in the market isn't about being the best winner. It's about being the best loser. If you are the best loser in the market, if you are the best at taking a loss and acknowledging that a loss is part of your system, you are meant to be profitable. You are meant to be successful as a trader. Before you leave this video, whatever the fuck, please write this down, that the biggest winners in the markets are simply the best at losing. I don't care how good of a trader you think you are. I don't care how good of a trader you know you are. If you cannot take a loss, accepting a loss, that is literally all you have to do. And it sounds so fucking simple, yet clearly one of the hardest things to do as a trader. If you cannot accept your loss as part of your system, you are never going to triumph. You are never going to be successful as a trader. If you take 100 trades, like I mentioned before, you take 99 trades, you made $1,000 on each trade. You are now up $99,000. But you're fucking greedy. You want more money for some fucking reason. You lose a trade. You lost $2,000 in this trade. Now you're down to 97. Your psychology slips. Oh, but I should be up. I should have been at 99. I was up 99 and I want to make $100,000. So what do? You are going to double down on your risk. Now you lost 3K. So now you're down to fucking $95,000 or $94,000. What are you going to do now? Double down, 10K. Every single time you start adding to your position, every single time you start forcing a trade, you are not following your system. You are fucking gambling. Every trade you take that is not directly involved in your rules, if you are not de-risking after your first loss, if you are not actually following an A+ entry, if you are not following your parameters, your rules, and your system, and you are actually just revenge trading, adding leverage, so you're over leveraging, revenge trading, and not even following your fucking system, you're just gambling on candlesticks, hoping to make money, you are putting yourself in a pit, in a fucking hole of despair and agony. That is why you are unprofitable, and that is why you have not seen any results in trading over the last few months, is because you are such a greedy fucking pig. You are a greedy fuck. All you want is more money. You cannot accept a loss. Be grateful for what the market has given you. Be grateful for the opportunities trading has provided for you. It's giving you the opportunity to make money from your desk, from home, from your car, while walking your dog, while eating lunch with your family, your parents, your kids. I don't know how old you are. Whatever it is giving you remote freedom. It is giving you the opportunity to gain financial freedom. It is never going to hand you financial freedom if you be fucking greedy. If you keep on being greedy, if you keep on not taking your profits, if you cannot accept a loss. A loss is part of a winning system. The biggest winners in the markets are simply the best at losing. You could be the best trader on earth, the most profitable trader on earth, with a fucking 30% win rate if you know how to accept a loss. Nothing in trading is about how good of a fucking market analyst you are. I don't care how good of a market analyst you are, because if you crash out, you crash and burn, you blow anything, you are just as good as a homeless guy down the street who doesn't even know what the fucking NASDAQ is, okay? Think about it that way. Stop fucking thinking that you have to have an 100% win rate. Oh, but I took 5 trades today and they were all wins, but I ended up down for the day. Because your psychology is fucking shit, dude. It is so shit. You fucking crash and burn because you didn't follow your system. Look back to the previous losses you have taken. Look back to every day you have blown your funded account over the last 2 months. I guarantee you, I fucking guarantee you, at least 50% of those losses, at least most days where you blew your funded accounts, were because you were not following your rules. I guarantee you the last time you blew a funded account was not because you were following your rules, following your system, but simply because you fucking went on tilt, you got fucking greedy, you didn't accept the fucking wins you took earlier, and you crashed out and took several losses that were not part of your system. If you have a fixed entry model, if you have a discretion entry model, whatever your entry model is, I guarantee you the last time you blew your funded account, you were not following your proper risk management. You were not following those entry parameters. You were following your fucking greedy ass mind that just wanted to see a dollar on a screen. If all you care about is green on your screen, go fucking jack off somewhere else, bro. This is not about fucking making all the money in the world as soon as possible. It's about picking up a skill that can slowly snowball into a large sum of money. But if you don't get your shit together now, start following your rules and following your system, you are never bound to be successful. You don't even deserve to be profitable. All right? Think back at your actions. Do you deserve to be profitable? That is the genuine question I am asking you. If you cannot answer that question truthfully and tell yourself, I don't deserve to be profitable, I don't know what to tell you, bro. You have to fix your shit, get your shit together. If you cannot answer that question honestly, if the answer is yes, then you're fucking lying to yourself. Because if you deserve to be profitable, you would be fucking profitable. You would be profitable. If I ask you right now, do you deserve to be profitable? And you tell me yes, I promise you, you are lying to me and you are lying to yourself, because if you deserve to be profitable, you would already do so. You would already be profitable, making money, and you would not be watching this video. You were watching this video because you struggle with your psychology, you struggle with over trading, over leveraging, revenge trading, whatever it is, you have some psychological issues that you have to fucking fix, all right? So stop thinking in the short term, start thinking in the long term. How far would you be in the next 2 weeks if you lost a trade tomorrow? If you lost your trade tomorrow, if you lost your trade right now? How fucking mad would you be yourself in 2 weeks if I told you that loss you took today could have meant nothing to you in 2 weeks if you took a loss today and then you took a win every day for the next 2 wins, for the next 2 weeks? I'm sorry. You take one loss today and then a win every single day for the next 2 weeks. You are up 9R. You are up, let's say you risk $1,000 per trade. You would be up $9,000 on your account in 2 weeks from now. But no, but you took a loss today and you crashed out and blew everything. So now you're back at square zero and you have to start from scratch. So in 2 weeks, what could have been $10,000 to your name is now a past funded account with $0 to your name, right? So start thinking in the long term. Stop fucking being a greedy pig and stop wanting to make money today. You don't need money today. You don't need your funded account past today. You need to get your shit together and follow your fucking rules, all right? The biggest winners in the markets are simply the best at taking losses. A loss is always going to be part of a winning system, and once you learn to fucking accept that is when you will actually make progress in the market, all right? You guys have been asking, so I'm gonna leave a link to the free Discord in the bio. Also, the group mentorship. If you guys want, I have 3 calls a week, daily buys every day, and the best fucking trading community on this planet. If not, just join the free Discord. Link is in bio, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out and have a nice day.